Being basic. It's sort of like being okay. There's nothing wrong with being basic, but there is so much more. The fact is, staying basic can keep you and your organization from achieving your professional and business goals. What you need is something that takes what's basic to a powerful new level. For example, OneDrive offers basic cloud storage, a replacement for a personal home directory of files. That's basic. Syncplicity helps you gain more control over unstructured data and eliminate content chaos within your organization by giving you choices. The choice of storing on-premises or in the public or private cloud, and a choice of integrating with over 150 leading cloud applications, including OneDrive and SharePoint, incorporating your business files into your digital business. That means you and your users can keep using the most popular business apps, but with the peace of mind that they're secure and protected. With Syncplicity, you can access the latest version of all your files, anytime, anywhere, on any device, and keep them protected from ransomware. You can also remote wipe all devices without third-party tools, securely share files and folders with external users, ensure the files are protected everywhere with Syncplicity Rights Management, and sync files from the desktop to the cloud as well as stream them. Your desktop is always backed up. With Syncplicity, you can take what's good and make it much, much better. Don't settle for basic when you don't have to. Go beyond with Syncplicity.